Hi, and welcome to The Truth About Trading. My name is Gail Mercer, and I've got about 15 years of experience in the markets. 5 of that was working with a company that designed indicators, and that's where I really got interested in trading. I began looking at the price charts, and I just thought they were the most fascinating thing I had ever discovered. I then went on to work with a volume analysis company, and I found that the volume was not easy. In fact, I struggled with volume for a long time, even though I'm a recognized industry expert on volume. I'm also the author of 2 books, Mastering Your Trades, Using Price Action, Trend Analysis, and Basic Business Principles, and also my recent book, Mastering Your Trade, Trend and Counter-Trend Trading Using Volume Analysis. I have been a speaker at the Wyckoff Conference, the Traders Expo, the TradeStation user groups, as well as Traders World Online Expo. I've also been interviewed by Stocks and Commodities magazines and written several articles for their publication. Now, the truth about trading, I know there's, a lot of promotional materials that claim to have the secrets and the truth, and to me, the bottom line is there are no secrets. It's a matter of learning and educating yourself about the markets and about your indicators. If you have indicators on your chart and you don't understand the indicators, chances are you're not going to use them correctly. So you have to devote the time to actually learn the indicators that you are going to be using on your charts. You also have to have the ability to follow rules consistently day in and day out. How can you measure your progress if you have no way of measuring what you're doing on a consistent basis? If you're changing your time frames, you're changing indicators, you're changing markets, there's nothing there that you're doing consistently day in and day out where you can say, I'm making progress or I need to improve on XYZ. Another big issue that most traders have is the ability to use a risk to reward that works in their favor. For example, if you're using an inverse risk to reward, and this means that you're risking $2 to make $1, then chances are when you go through your drawdown, you're going to lose any potential profits that you have. So what we do is use a risk to reward that sets a minimum reward of $2 for every $1 that is actually risked on any trade. And then how do you protect your account from disasters? Every trader goes through a drawdown, whether you're Richard Wyckoff or any of the other great traders in the world. How do you protect your account from disasters? And this is a major issue with most traders because they want to make fast money, so they risk more than they should. Any given time you should not have any more than 2% of your capital at risk. Now, some people use 0.5%. The reason that they do this is they are looking ahead. They don't just want to be a trader for today or tomorrow or next week. They still want to be here at the end of the year, at the end of 2 years, at the end of 3 years. The only way that you can ensure that you will be is to implement a money management system that protects your capital from disasters. Why should you use THD? I just said there's no secrets. Quite simply, it works. Whether you're trading stocks, options, commodities, futures, currencies, really doesn't matter. As long as you know the material, know the indicators, it will work for you. It works for me day in and day out. My clients are able to take money out of the market using the same exact methodology that I use in my own trading. Why does it work? What makes THD unique? One is an easy to use indicator system that is color coded so you can make quick decisions on the live edge of the market. It works on all time frames in markets because it's based on price action and volume analysis. One of the big problems that a lot of traders have is it's so complex they can't implement it on the live edge of the market. This is why it was very important to me to design something that was very easy and you can make a quick decision on the live edge of the market. Now, we offer a trading plan with our packages. It contains what we call trade flow, and it walks you through the start of your day all the way to the end of your trade. We also offer training levels for all traders, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, or an experienced trader. We train traders at all levels. And we have unparalleled customer support. That means that when you're in a trade and you're panicking or you need help understanding a particular concept, you can shoot me an email or just pick up the phone and call me, and I'm there to hold your hand and walk you through the trade or just to listen while you vent. We offer a lot of different products. We do have several packages. One is the Getting Started. This is actually designed for traders that are new to THD and they're only trading a couple of markets. It comes with the Trend ATR version 2 as well as the trade flow and the documentation. We then offer the Silver package for traders that have probably a little bit more experience and they're trading multiple markets and multiple time frames. This is where we really pull in our scanner tools like the Divergent Suite, the Potential Entry Indicator, and the RSI meters. We can identify very quickly which market it is that's moving that we need to focus on. The Silver package also comes with the documentation and a different trade flow designed for multiple markets and multiple trade setups. It also comes with my e-course as well as being eligible to purchase the annual membership. The annual membership we offer includes all additional webinars that I do throughout the year as well as individual indicators that I design throughout the year. Instead of charging on a per indicator or per webinar basis, I charge a one-time fee that entitles you to everything. Then we have the Platinum package. It includes everything that's included in the Silver package as well as a 5-day Kickstart trading seminar. That seminar is 5 days and we focus on volume analysis, price analysis, THD indicators, and THD setups. We did increase it from 3 days to 5 days because I wanted to make sure you had ample time to practice the methodology while I am there to guide you. So that way when you go back home and you're sitting in your trading room all alone, you have the confidence that you can implement the THD methodology on any market. Now, most of our seminars actually have clients that range from beginning level to 15 to 20 years of experience in the markets. And all of my clients will tell you these are some of the best seminars they've ever attended. Now, you don't have to take my word for it. You can go and watch the client videos where our clients are telling you what THD has done for them. And these are just a few of the recent comments that I have received from clients. For example, Jack O, he's been trading for a while. I think he's got about 10 years of experience in the market. And he purchased the Getting Started package with a volume analysis mentorship. He says, Gail, these indicators rock. I've taken out more than 10,000 in the past 2 days thanks to these indicators. Again, he does have a lot of experience already in the market. He mainly purchased the indicators because he was having trouble understanding volume. We also have Keith who says, the Getting Started program has really helped my trading and I like the way you teach. And then we have Charles. He says, Gail, I'm rewatching all the Getting Started videos. These are fantastic sessions. We also have another Charlie who trades crude, and he says, hi Gail, I wanted to share with you. I bought 2 crude lights at 97.26 and I sold them at 97.50. This all with the help of your tools and your no-nonsense guidance. And then we have Sammy. Sammy is a recently new trader. He came to us about 2 months ago, and he said, Gail, I made 40 pips on the British pound US dollar on a 180-minute Magenta Peak long trade, and 30 pips from the Swiss franc 720-minute Magenta Peak trade. These trades happen because of your teaching. I really appreciate it, Sammy. Now, for more information on THD and what we offer, you can visit us at tradershelpdesk.com. You can go to our blog at blog.tradershelpdesk.com, and we post a lot of our trades on the blog as well as educational articles. And we also run a live trading room. Typically it runs from Tuesday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to noon. And this is where we actually show you how the indicators work on the different markets on the live edge of the market. Because let's face it, hindsight is 2020. We focus on the live edge because that's where the money is.